Friends, welcome to 5-Star Study. Today we will read important articles of the Constitution. Part 1, the Union and its territory. Article 1, Name and territory of the Union. Article 2, Formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. Part 2, Citizenship. Article 5 to 11, Citizenship. Part 3, Fundamentals Rights. Article 13, Laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. Article 14, Equality before law. Article 15, the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Article 18, Abolition of titles. Article 19, Protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 20, Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, Right to elementary education. Article 23, Prohibition of traffic human beings and forced labor. Article 24, Prohibition of employment of children in factories. Article 25, Freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 26, Every religious denomination or any of its section shall have the right to manage its religious affairs. Article 29, Any section of the citizens shall have the right to conserve its distinct language, script or culture. Article 30, Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 31C, Saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Article 32, Remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including writs. Part 4, Directive principles of state policy. Article 38, State to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Article 40, Organization of village panchayats. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code for the citizens. Article 45, Provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Article 46, Promotion of educational and economic interests of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. Article 50, Separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51, Promotion of international peace and security. Article 51A, Fundamental duties. Part 5, the Union. Article 52, the President of India. Article 54, Election of President. Article 61, Procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 63, the Vice President of India. Article 64, the Vice President of India to be ex officio Chairman of the Council of States. Article 66, Election of Vice President. Article 74, Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President. Article 76, Attorney General for India. Article 79, Constitution of Parliament. Article 80, Composition of the Rajya Sabha. Article 81, Composition of the Lok Sabha. Article 83, Duration of Houses of Parliament. Article 86, Right of President to address and send messages to Houses. Article 87, Special Address by the President. Article 88, Rights of Ministers and Attorney General as respects Houses. Article 93, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Article 98, Secretariat of Parliament. Article 99, Oath of Affirmation by members. Article 107, Provisions as to introduction and passing of bills. Article 108, Joint sitting of both houses in certain cases. Article 109, Special procedure in respect of money bills. Article 110, Definition of money bills. Article 112, Annual Financial Statement Budget. Article 116, Votes of account, votes of credit and exceptional grants. Article 117, Special provisions as to financial bills. Article 123, Power of President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament. Article 124 Establishment and construction of Supreme Court. Article 137 Review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. Article 141 Law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. Article 143 Power of President to consult Supreme Court. Article 148 Comptroller and Auditor-General of India. Article 149 Duties and powers of the Comptroller and Auditor-General. Part 6 The States. Article 155 Appointment of Governor. Article 161 Power of Governor to grant pardons, and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. Article 163 Council of Ministers to aid and advise the Governor. Article 169 Abolition or creation of legislative councils in states. Article 200 Assent to bills by Governor including reservation for President. Article 213 Power of Governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of the state legislature. Article 226 Power of High Courts to issue certain writs. Article 239A Special provisions with respect to Delhi. Article 239 to 242 The Union Territories. Article 243 to 243 to 0 The Panchayats. Article 243P to 243ZG The Municipalities. Article 243K State Election Commission. Article 249 Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest. Article 262 Adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys. Article 263 Provisions with respect to an interstate council. Article 275 Grants from the Union to certain states. Article 280 Finance Commission. Article 300 Suits and Proceedings. Article 300A Right to Property. Article 307 Interstate Trade and Commerce Commission. Article 311 Dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of persons employed in civil capacities under the Union or a state. Article 312 All India Services. Article 315 Public Service Commissions for the Union and for the states. Article 320 Functions of Public Service Commissions. Article 323A Administrative Tribunals. Article 324 Superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in an election commission. Article 330 Reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the House of the People. Article 335 Claims of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to services and posts. Article 352 Proclamation of Emergency, National Emergency. Article 356 Provisions in case of failure of constitutional machinery in states. President's Rule. Article 360 Provisions as to financial emergency. Article 365 Effect of failure to comply with, or to give effect to, directions given by the Union President's Rule. Article 368 Power of Parliament to amendment the Constitution. Article 370 Temporary provisions with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you for watching. All the best.